Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Very interesting and important topics in my class, my lecture. What is the Google granted? What is Google granted? Google granted is a certification program launching by Google in 2019 that provide customer with addition confidence when hire local service providers such as plumbers, electronics, local mart, and home service professionals. The program allows business to apply for a budget that appears on their Google My Business listing. GMB Google My Business listing, including that they have processed a background check, how bill lines in includes and command committed to provide high quality service to their customer. In addition to the budget, business also have the option to particle in the Google local service ads program, which enable them to appear at the top of search result for relevant quality and pay for lead the result in phone call message from potential customers. Customer who hire a Google granted business and are not satisfied with the service can request reimburse up to $2,000 from Google. However, the generate is subject to creating terms and conditions such as feelings a client with 30 days of service completion. Overall, Overall, Google granted is a way for local service providers to stand out from their competitors, build trust with potential customer, and potential increase their business through an increased visibility and the grant of quality service. How are of the benefits of Google granted for business? Increase visibility, business that particular Google granted great to display a Google granted big on their website and in Google search result. This bag signs to potential customer that the business introduced and SaaS verified by Google. Increased leads, Google granted back can help business attach more leads from potential customers who are just searching for local business. Increase sales. To Google granted back can help business convert more leads in the sales. Why and see the Google granted ballot, you can be confident that your working with reliable business that has been verified by Google. Protection. If you not satisfied with the work that a Google guaranteed business does, you can any file completely with Google and try may be able to help you get your money back. If you local business that looking to attract new customers and grow your business, Google Granted is the program to consider. What is the difference between Google Granted local service ad and pay-per-click? Local service ad and pay-per-click, that means PPC. Local service ad, LSA and pay-per-click, PPC, add on growth affection why to reach potential customers. The online potential customer, however, there are some key difference between the two types of ads that you should be aware to be your direct reach on this site for your business. Local ads are doing to help local business get found by people searching for their service. In there are when someone searches for service link for restaurant and San Francisco, etc. etc. as an example. The local service can apply their traffic search result page that are including business name, address, phone number, and link for website. Short is BNA, BNAP, business name, address, phone number, and link other their website. PPC ad, pay-per-click, on their hands, can offer any on Google search result page, not just at the top. They are targeting when someone click on keywords that why choose to bid. On for example, if you plumbers, you might be on take keyword plumber. When some search for keyword, your ads could appear top the search result page. Here are some of the key differences between local service ads and pay-per-click ads. Targeting, cost, qualification, conversion. Targeting, local service targeting to people who are sharing for local business in your areas. PPC ads can be targeted people based on their location, interest, and their factors. Cost. Local service ads are paper leads PPL model which may not only pay who some click one of and contract your PPC ads. Pay for click ads model which mean pay every time someone click on your ad. Qualification. To qualification local service ad, you must meet, create, and then physical local brings into the local service and PPC. Conversion rates. Local service typically have higher conversion rate than PPC ads because people who click LSAs are already internet and service PPC ads, however, convert because the people. So which type of ad is right for your business? Independent on your goal and budget. If you look to get more found by local customers who are ready to buy, lesser great option. If you're looking to reach with it audience and build brand awareness, PPC ads might be better choose. Friends, again to repeat some, what is the Google guaranteed? Some details and benefits. Google guaranteed local service and pay-per-click details. Thank you. Best of luck.